these terms thrown around a lot. People say that's improper, that motion. Well, it's important to note that Robert's Rules does specifically describe improper motions. And here they are: motions that conflict with the corporate charter, constitution, or bylaws, motions that conflict with procedural rules prescribed by national, state, or local laws. In some cases, motions that conflict with a previously adopted motion that has not been rescinded or considered and rejected. Motions presenting practically the same question as one that is still under consideration. And motions that are outside the object of the organization as specified in its governing documents. So, for example, at a church business meeting, a member makes a motion that the church go on record as supporting a particular candidate. Boy, this happens a lot for a local office. The chair should rule that this motion is improper and not subject to consideration, since its adoption would violate federal law, Section 501c3 of the Income Tax Code. Next example, a church's bylaws specify that the church board shall consist of 9 persons. At an annual church business meeting, a member makes a motion that the board be expanded by 1 additional member. The chair should rule that this motion is improper, not subject to consideration, since its adoption would violate the bylaws. And the third example, at an annual church business meeting, a motion to change the fiscal year to a calendar year is made and lost. Later in the same meeting, a member makes the same motion. The chair should rule that this motion is improper and not subject to consideration, since it presents the same question as a motion rejected at the same meeting. A related concept is dilatory motions. Robert's Rules defines a dilatory motion as one that seeks to obstruct or thwart the will of the assembly. It is the duty of the chair to rule that such motions are out of order as dilatory. For example, this happened at my church. At a church business meeting, a member makes a motion to divide the assembly after every vote, even if there is no doubt as to the outcome. After several of these motions have been made and lost, the chair should rule further motions to divide by this same member to be out of order as dilatory, since further consideration of these frivolous motions would detract from the business of the church.